in a field of gold beneath the storm. A glassy bloom keeps quiet and warm. Raindrops fall, the sky turns gray, but she holds her color anyway. Encased in light with petals bright, she glows beneath the thunder's bite. A rainbow arcs, the clouds complain, still she shines, my flower in the rain. Shining bright through mist and rain, held in time she finds her way. A little light, a world contained. My heart belongs to the flower in the rain. Mountains watch from far away as pine trees whisper what skies won't say. She doesn't wilt, she doesn't wait. She's beauty caught in a drop of rain. Air bubbles dance like stars inside a secret bloom the storm can't hide. She's strong, she won't complain. My quiet joy, my flower in the rain. Shining bright through mist and gray, held in time she finds her way. Little light, a world contained. Forever yours, this flower in the